Welcome to Segal Motorsports, where innovation meets elegance and every vehicle tells a story of craftsmanship and performance. Today, we're diving into the details of the 2025 Toyota Corolla Grande X, a car that continues to redefine what it means to drive in comfort, style, and confidence. With each passing year, Toyota refines its iconic sedan lineup, and the Grande X for 2025 emerges as the brand's crown jewel, sleek, powerful, and intelligently designed for the modern driver. At first glance, the 2025 Corolla Grande X commands attention with its refreshed exterior. The sharp lines running along the body give it a bold yet aerodynamic silhouette. Up front, the LED projector headlamps with integrated DRLs make a striking impression, while the large piano black grille adds a premium and aggressive character. The chrome accents subtly embedded around the car enhance its elegance without overdoing it. The alloy wheels have been upgraded to a sportier multi-spoke design, giving the car a planted and athletic stance, and the low-profile tires complement the sleek side skirts beautifully. Under the hood, the Corolla Grande X features a 1.8-liter inline-4 engine that has been finely tuned for better efficiency and smoother acceleration. It delivers just the right balance of power and economy, something Toyota has mastered over decades. The CVT transmission has also seen minor refinements, offering a more responsive feel during city commutes or highway cruising. For those who appreciate quiet, comfortable drives, the 2025 model has further improved cabin insulation, significantly reducing road and wind noise. This enhances the already serene driving experience that the Corolla is known for. Step inside the cabin, and you're welcomed by a refined, luxurious interior that feels a class above. The seats are wrapped in plush leather, offering excellent lumbar support for both the driver and passengers. The dashboard layout is clean and modern, centered around a large 9-inch floating touchscreen infotainment system that supports both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The dual-zone automatic climate control ensures that comfort is never compromised, and ambient lighting subtly enhances the mood during night drives. Rear passengers benefit from generous legroom, rear AC vents, and a center armrest with cup holders, small details that speak volumes about Toyota's commitment to passenger comfort. Safety, as always, remains a priority for Toyota. The 2025 Corolla Grande X is equipped with an array of advanced features such as multiple airbags, vehicle stability control, traction control, ABS with EBD, and a rear-view camera with dynamic guidelines. Additionally, Toyota has added adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist in this year's model, bringing semi-autonomous driving capabilities to the lineup. These enhancements make long trips not only more enjoyable but also significantly safer. Fuel efficiency has always been one of the Corolla's strongest points, and the 2025 Grande X continues this tradition with a remarkable fuel average that makes it ideal for both urban and highway driving. Thanks to Toyota's optimized engine management system and the intelligent eco mode, the car offers excellent mileage without compromising on performance. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or cruising on open roads, the Corolla Grande X proves to be exceptionally economical. Another strong suit of the Corolla Grande X is its unbeatable resale value and low maintenance costs. Toyota's reputation for reliability carries forward into this model, ensuring peace of mind for years to come. The parts are readily available, and the maintenance schedule is straightforward, making it an ideal choice for those who want a hassle-free ownership experience. Whether you plan to keep the car for a long time or sell it after a few years, the investment holds strong. What truly sets the 2025 model apart is the way it blends sophistication with everyday usability. It's a car that fits just as well in a corporate parking lot as it does on a weekend getaway. It's stylish enough to turn the heads, comfortable enough for long journeys, and smart enough to keep you connected and safe throughout. The Grande X has matured into a symbol of balanced driving, a true all-rounder that rarely compromises. In the ever-growing compact sedan market, the Toyota Corolla Grande X stands out not just for what it offers but also for how effortlessly it delivers. It doesn't scream for attention but subtly convinces you with every drive. It's not just a car, it's a lifestyle upgrade, a partner for the road, and a representation of timeless reliability infused with modern sophistication. Thank you for spending your time with Segal Motorsports. If you enjoyed learning about the 2025 Toyota Corolla Grande X, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more expert insights, detailed reviews, and automotive content that keeps you ahead of the curve. Until next time, drive safe, stay curious, and keep exploring the road ahead with Segal Motorsports.